Hello and welcome to Kenneth Family. My name is Jimmy and this is the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS. And we're gonna see how well it can family. Well, I mean, it's a family SUV. Obviously it can, but we're gonna see how well the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf fits inside this vehicle. So come take a look. All right, welcome to the back seat of the GLS. As you can see, I have the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side, and I got the Foonf here installed on the passenger side. This is the Captain Chairs variant. There is the standard GLS, which is 3 across. So you may be able to fit another seat in the middle, but without testing, I just can't say for certain. There's 2 sets of lower anchors in the second row, and also 2 sets within the third row. And there's also upper anchors in the same positions. So very easy to get your seats into the vehicle. That's not a problem. However, the second row is easy. The third row isn't. I wasn't able to put the Foonf in rear or forward facing in the third row. There just isn't enough space, and that goes the same for the Liing. There just isn't enough space back there. I tried, had a lot of difficult time in there, but just wasn't meant to be. But let me show you how the Liing fits inside this vehicle and just show you the approximate size with it. Getting the Liing in, well, of course it's nice and easy. There's so much space in here. It is a large SUV. The doors actually open relatively wide for you to gain access to that second row. The third row, well, that's quite difficult to get access to when you have the seat in place. But if the Liing's out, yeah, you certainly can squeeze around and go into the third row. Not too difficult there. Let's take a look at the trunk to see how much space there is in there. With many 3-row SUVs, well, there just isn't a lot of space behind that third row. As you can see here, I have my baby Zanyoyo fitting in nicely, not a problem at all. But if you have a full-size stroller, you're going to have to put those seats down. That's not hard to do. There's just a button on the sides where you can fold that down. But that's definitely something to think about. If your vehicle is absolutely full, you're not going to be able to put everyone's luggage just in the back here. Definitely limited on space. And that's how the baby Zanyoyo, Clek Liing, as well as Clek Foonf fits inside this vehicle. It's more than accommodating for 2 kids in the back and you and your spouse in the front here. Not a problem. But if you are going to be utilizing that third row, boosters may be okay, but I'll have to do a little bit more testing before I can say for certain. If you do have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks and have a great day.